All right, the last person, that's
Yes, ma'am.
all right, calling case 220-602-4801, people of the state of Michigan versus in charge with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing, also count 2 and 3. Calling case 220-602-4801, people of the state of Michigan versus defendants charged with count 1, assault or assault and battery. Also calling case 230441101, people of the state of Michigan versus defendants charged with count 1, assault or assault and battery. Today is the date and time for a bond redetermination hearing.
Jennifer Douglas for the people.
Reagan on behalf of Mr. Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. So this is $100 capious bond?
Yes, $200 capias and $150,000 cash, no contact, GPS tether, house arrest, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. So he has 3 cases.
3.
So one is 100. What's the second one?
Case number 1, the A and B is 100. Case number 2, the A and B is 100. Case number 3, it's an RNO, police officer RNO, and it's 50,000 cash, no contact, GPS, and house arrest.
Okay. Are all of these capiouses?
None.
No, sir. The 2-3 case is a new case. Well, it looks like it, but he's never been arraigned on it. He just got arraigned for the first time on the 9th.
Right. It's a new case.
Wait a second.
But the defense date was 2022.
Yep. All the alleged offense dates are from 2022, Judge, June and July of 2022. The last case wasn't filed until January of 23. The newest one, that's why it's 23 cases.
Okay. Well, argument.
Judge, it's, my client's 23. He works at McDonald's, has been so for the last 8 months. So he's out doing something, Judge, and which is a great thing. It's a lot of little stuff going on here. I do understand that. But I do think that a personal bond with the tether would suffice, Judge. I definitely think, and I know the court's going to think, because of the 2 prior cases, we might need a tether for Mr. So if we could do a 50,000 Judge for that case with GPS tether, and the other cases we could do $100 personal. I would ask respectfully the court do that, Your Honor.
Okay, why did the client get here?
Judge, he's been here for about 5 days, Judge. He has he was arrested, Judge, obviously on these cases, but they had another case in River Rouge he got arrested on. They had not signed a warrant on that case yet, though. There's no warrant signed, but he was arrested. He's in the county. We arraigned him back on Wednesday. Actually, we arraigned him on Wednesday, Judge. So he was arrested. That's how he got into custody, Judge. I'll be straightforward with the court.
So he's accused of assault. Okay. He's accused of assaulting another prisoner in one case. Is that correct?
Yes, correct, Judge.
And who was he accused of assaulting in the other case?
Let me see. Let me tell you.
Because I'm a little confused by the write-ups.
I think that there might be both Wayne County Jail cases, Judge. Let me see. I don't unfortunately have a copy of the write-up right now, Judge, but I'm thinking based on the time period, because he was in the Wayne County Jail from May of 2022.
It's all from
It was
2022. He was in the jail for about 5 months.
one is for spitting and resisting deputies in the jail, and then the other two are for beating up other inmates.
Okay.
We gotta get him out the jail, Judge. He if he's out the jail, then we don't have these cases. So we can do house arrest, but I'd ask the court to consider that GPS tether house arrest, because all his cases are in the jail.
Well, I guess my question. So he literally just capious on these three, and then
No, he hadn't been arraigned on him, Judge. On the last one, he's never gotten arraigned on.
on the one spitting on the police, he wasn't arraigned.
I never did none of that, sir.
Right. No, he's innocent, Judge. But he was, because the reason why he was only arraigned on it now, Judge, is because he spent 5 months in the county. They did not sign that last case, the RNO, until January of this year, even though it's alleged to have happened last July 20. They didn't sign it until 1/27/23. So it took the prosecutor about 6, 7, 8 months to sign that warrant.
Understood. And he was out and got picked up on something else. And that's
I've been out since October. I got into a domestic dispute with my baby mother.
We're good. Just let's get the timeline. Ms. Douglas?
Your Honor, the people's concern is just the assault of nature of these inmates. Actually had to get, I know they're from last year, but inmates actually had to be transferred because of the extent that they were assaulted. Your Honor, the spitting, of course, isn't as concerning, but Your Honor, the fact that there is even a capias after all of this, we think that shows a danger of not showing up to court as required. So Your Honor, if the bond was reduced, we absolutely think that there needs to be a tether on him. We actually think that the tether should be a tether house arrest, given that while he's not charged, he was picked up on something else, and that 2 of these are cases that he capiased on were highly assaultive.
Well, Judge, I don't know about highly assaultive. I know it's their misdemeanor A and Bs, and we don't know what happened. It's not easy in the county. I mean, I don't know, if he got attacked, he defended himself. I mean, we don't know, Judge. We know that,
And I had a deputy here, Judge. I know I'm supposed to be talking, but
yeah.
I've been in this county since last year, and the deputy named Elatapi. I done ruled like so many grievances on this man. They had me sleeping on metal for 10 days. And then he was moving me around to get me jumped because I don't listen to him. I listen to the deputy named Dixon. You feel me? Because Dixon was funny. And Elatapi, he was telling people my full-blown name. Don't nobody know me. So how do people in Rock 16 and Rock 15 know my full-blown name?
Got you. Understood, sir. Who set the $50,000 bond? That was not a capious bond, was it?
No. That was Magistrate, I believe, Kilperick. It was Wednesday, Magistrate Thursday. I think it was Magistrate Kilperick, Your Honor. Actually.
Okay. All right, court haven't heard the arguments of counsel. Court is converting the $100 bonds to $100 personal. The RNO 50,000 cash bond is being reduced to 5,000 personal with a GPS tether. House arrest can leave for
Hey,
court.
but listen, sir, house arrest, I work at McDonald's. And the only reason I'm working because I got five kids on the way. You feel me? And I don't know if I'm gonna be fired when I leave here by the end or not, but I was saying like house arrest, I need the money because I really got 4 kids on the way.
Judge, so I think
4 kids on the way.
Y'all got 4 kids on the way.
he needs to work,
Four
Judge.
baby- 4 baby mothers.
But no. You have 4 women pregnant right now, or you have 4 kids right
I
now?
got 4 women pregnant right now.
Oh, okay.
He needs
All right.
that job, Judge.
He actually does need to work. What's your shift at McDonald's right now?
I work from 11 to 5.
11 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Court's gonna change the house arrest to just to the GPS tether, and we're gonna do 10 p.m. 6 a.m. curfew.
Thank you.
So he can go to work. And
Thank you, Judge. Thank you. 4 kids, thank you too. It's coming.
we got okay. All right. Have a good
You're
day.
unmuted now. What's your name, please?
Bias Glass, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning. Did you just have who is that?
I had to go get insurance, but
What's your name?
due to Bias Glass, Your Honor.
Tobias. Okay, Glass. Very good. All right. Did you get insurance?
No, I'm gonna get insurance September. You know, my birthday September 6th, and my registration.
No, I didn't. I didn't.
So I'm gonna get it.
Why?
Oh my God, this nigga. You said what, Your Honor?
What did you say?
I said, did you say what you say, Your Honor?
What did you say under your breath?
Oh no, there's somebody walking past me, and I tried to tell him I'm on court, man. I was on court.
Judge, I'm sorry to interrupt, but Miss Cole and I are asking the trooper to join us in room 1, please.
Yeah, I tried to ask him. He didn't. He hasn't joined. Trooper Al-Kafarji,
Yes, Your Honor.
can you join room 1, please? Rejoin room 1.
Yes.
This is the city of Detroit. Well, we'll wait on the lawyer to come back. Just you're
I could do that. Just talk to Bias.
hang up and zoom in, sir. Mr. Glasser,
Yes, Your Honor.
hang up and zoom in.
All right, you want me to do that?
What did you say?
How you want me to do that? Press FaceTime?
No. Either go on Zoom or go on the 36th District Court website to virtual courtrooms, virtual hearings, and then click on my name, scroll down to my name and hit join on Zoom.
Okay.
Bias. Marquilus Blaster, case number SP 145-645, counts 1 and counts 2. Did I get the pronunciation of your middle name right, sir?
I ain't hear you, Your Honor. What you say?
Pronounce your middle name for me, please.
Marquellis.
Marquellis. All right. Sorry about that. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Bias Marquellis Glass.
All right. I wanted to see Mr. Glasser in the face because I don't believe that comment wasn't directed. I don't believe that comment wasn't directed toward me, and I won't even repeat what he said. But he says it was somebody walking by him, and I don't know. Anyway, I gave him an opportunity to bring in some valid insurance. What's going on with the insurance, sir?
Well, The insurance, at the time of the arrest, your officers took my insurance, my title, not my title, but my registration and my note, my letter for my tinted windows. I don't know why. Couldn't even tell you why. But I don't know. Can you see when I got arrested? It was like in October last year.
I can see you got this ticket that we're talking about on April the 29th of this year.
It was April 29th.
That's what you're here for now. I don't know what happened in October, but you got this ticket April 29th.
There's a lot going on. Because first of all, I was in the gas station and they pulled up like it was a traffic stop. Then when they come back to the car, they say, I gave you a ticket for no insurance. I said, well, you ain't asked for my insurance. You only asked for my license. You ain't asked for the registration, insurance, nothing. I'm trying to figure out. Well, I know I got to renew them next month on my birthday. I got to get the title. I got to get the registration. No, I don't have no insurance. I'm not even driving, Your Honor.
That's what they all say, Mr. Glasser.
I'm telling the truth.
I didn't say whether it was the truth or not. I just said that's what they all say.
I mean, we all saying the insurance is $1,000 a month.
I understand that. I did not comment on anything but what you said. I just said that's what they say. Anytime somebody has a car and they're riding bold, or even if they're not riding at all, they say, I'm not even driving.
You're right, but look, you see I'm on the porch, Your Honor. Look.
I can't see because you have a background on there. I can't see.
Oh, you can't?
I know, okay. So let's talk about that then. He said somebody, when he made that comment he said he was talking about somebody walking by. And he's on the porch, in an enclosed porch.
Yeah, you see, he was walking by trying to get my attention. I'm like, man, I'm on Zoom court, man.
All right. So when are you gonna have insurance? You say you have a letter for this. I think I remember you say you have a letter for this tinted windows. When are you gonna get insurance?
Before September 6th.
All right, come back in 2 weeks. Come back in September. Come back in 2 weeks. Bring a letter for the tinted windows and bring insurance. On
okay, thank you.
September 8th, 2023 at 8:30.
At 9:30. 8:30.
At 8:30. All right, have a good day, sir.
Dude, thanks.
All right.